Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to discuss about a mask from Wow. These are the two products we are going to discuss today. Before that, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. In case you need further notification on such videos, please hit the bell icon. So let's quickly get into my first product. It's a hair mask from Wow. Wow is an Indian company who makes organic and natural product for skincare as well as hair care. They also make few products for health issues as well. This is a hair mask known as black spruce or spruce. I don't know how to pronounce it, so I'm taking it as spruce. Black spruce bark extract, vitamin B5 and E. This particular face mask comes in a plastic tub like this. This is how the packaging is with a revolving lid. This is how the packaging looks like. This particular tub weighs around 200 ml and it would cost you around INR 499 to 599, depends on the kind of discount the company is giving. Wow have their dedicated website for their products and you would get nice discounts on those websites. You can buy it from any other website also. They give good discounts in other websites also. So this particular mask is basically made for colored and treated hair. That's why I have bought it, because I do color my hair regularly, so it attracted me with that. Also because it's a natural product with no parabens, no silicone, so that is again attraction for me, and it doesn't have any fragrance in it, which is a very plus point for any skincare or hair care product. The company says it would protect you from UV rays. It slows down the color fading, which is the main work of this particular hair mask, and it also boosts softness of your hair. It nourishes your scalp as well. So the basic ingredient for this particular product is black spruce bark extract, which is a tree, and this particular extract is very much rich in resveratrol, which is an antioxidant, and it's gonna help slowing down the fading of color. It is also having hydrolyzed wheat protein, which is a very good ingredient to repair your damaged shaft. It also have vitamin B5 and E, which is mentioned there on the tub as well here, which is again a very good moisturizing agent. So it's going to moisturize your scalp as well as your hair. My take on this, or my experience on this particular mask, I've been using this for almost 1.5 months, once in a week. I did bought it for colored and treated hair. I don't have a treated hair now, but I used to have it, and I used to have a lot of hair fall. That's why I bought this. It doesn't really helps me, you know, maintaining the color of my hair, because it gets faded whenever the time comes. You know, eventually it gets faded and I have to retouch all my grayed hair. So it doesn't gives me that good result with hair color. But I have stopped using this particular product for a reason that it has worsened my hair fall. So that's the reason I have stopped using it. Other than that, in case you don't have any hair fall issue, it nourishes your scalp very well. It does moisturizes your scalp. It doesn't gives a very good moisturizing to your hair as such, but your skin looks, feels very soft and very nourished. Hair color, it doesn't works with that. So for me, I'm not gonna buy this again because of the hair fall issue, and it doesn't work for my colored hair also. So that's a no for me. This particular product is a no for me completely. The second mask which I have is a face mask from the same company. It is known as Fuji Matcha Green Tea Clay Face Mask. This is basically an anti-aging face mask. This is how the packaging looks like, with the same kind of lid. Yeah, it has a hygiene cover as well to use, and it has an adding applicator. This one, I think this is a rubber thing, which gives you a very even application to your face. I like this applicator the most in this product. This particular face mask has 3 main ingredients, or 4 main ingredients in it. One is matcha green tea, which is an antibacterial ingredient. The second one is the green montmorillonite clay, which is basically an antioxidant, and It helps checking keep a check on your free radicals, which has a great role to damage your skin in case you're out under the sun or the pollution. So it's gonna keep a check on that. It also have jojoba oil and shea butter for moisturizing purpose. So overall the ingredients are very nice, and being an organic product, it doesn't have any paraben, no sulfate, no color, and no fragrance. So again, I'm happy with that because it doesn't have a fragrance. While putting this particular mask on face, it gives a tingling effect, which gets converted to a cooling effect very fast. This is how the product looks like. It's a thick light green color product. This is how it looks like, very thick product, and this applicator makes it very easy to apply on your skin evenly. So this is how it looks like. It's a very nice and calming face mask, though it doesn't have any effect on the anti-aging prospect. I didn't find any result on that sense, but however it does moisturizes your skin, and it does cleans your skin very nicely, because when you wash it off, your skin really feels calmed down, and it doesn't have any irritation, and it looks very refreshed. So considering that result to my skin, I'm gonna rebuy it and consider using it once in a week, maybe just to clean my face and just to calm down my face, because it has a very cooling effect on the face. So this was the experience with these two masks from Wow with my skin, which is very sensitive and very dry in nature. Please give it a try in case you consider this, and in case you think this video is informative enough, please give it a like. And till my next video, stay tuned. Take care of yourself, take care of your health, and be safe. Please have a good day. Bye bye.